At number 3, we have the Lockley Secure Plus. The Lockley Secure Plus stands out for its innovative Pin Genie technology that randomizes keypad numbers to prevent code theft. This smart lock combines multiple entry methods including a 3D fingerprint scanner, digital keypad, physical key, and Bluetooth smartphone access. The fingerprint reader can store up to 99 unique prints and provides quick, reliable access. Built with AES 256 encryption and auto-disable features after multiple failed attempts, the lock offers robust security. The device includes an auto-lock feature that can be set between 5 to 300 seconds and operates quietly. While larger than typical smart locks at 7 inches tall, it offers a premium finish in satin nickel or Venetian bronze options. The lock works with both deadbolt and latch configurations and includes a lifetime warranty on exterior finishes. Its main limitation is the lack of built-in Wi-Fi, requiring an additional hub for remote access and smart home integration.